life's a mirror, it's not a window. Everybody's thinking about how they're gonna do all this shit in life. How am I gonna make 1,000,000? How am I gonna make 1,000,000? I'm like, it's who, motherfucker? Half these people are like, how am I gonna do it? It's like, how the fuck would you do anything? Look at you, motherfucker. Like, make it the who that can do it. These guys right here put together this fucking dope ass podcast studio. They fucking give you guys all this value all the time. That's who will make the money, not the guy who's in the comments like, how am I gonna make millions? And he doesn't serve anybody.
Yeah.
You guys are serving so many fucking people. You should be making 100 million a fucking year. You should be making as much as it. You should be making as much as you can make because you're helping so many fucking people. I remember on my lowest days, and I was just broken, bro. I was on the cell floor in tears, like just wanting life to be different. And then I just didn't need it to be different no more. I made my life different. And that's why I tell people the way you view the world, that your perception of the world is you, not the world.